Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookie's World Kitchen YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love, for the likes. It means a lot to me. And to my new subscribers or anyone that will come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm making some yummy sausage rolls. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, here are the ingredients I will be using: flour, margarine, nutmeg, salt, baking powder, and sausage. In here I have 800 grams of flour. I'll be adding my nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. Mix until well combined. Add margarine. Mix until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency. Note guys, you can as well use butter instead of margarine. Add the milk gradually and mix gently. Please take note, when kneading, do not over knead to avoid the dough from being too strong or hard. Now I'm done kneading. Like I said before, do not knead too much. Cover with a transparent nylon or bag. Let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'll be cutting my sausage on edges. This is actually optional, but I just love doing this because I want it to penetrate well, the heat to penetrate well when it's in the oven. Make sure you get your work surface cleaned. So it's almost 30 minutes now, so the dough is ready. So I'll be sprinkling a little bit of flour on my work surface, and I'll be kneading the dough a little bit guys, not too hard, not too long. Divide the dough into 3 to 4 equal parts. Keep the remaining parts in the fridge while you work on them individually. So now guys, I'll be making use of the roller to work on my dough. And please take note, do not roll it too flat and not too thick. I'm using the pizza cutter or knife to cut the edges in order to form a good straight shape or a rectangle. So now I'm gonna be dividing this flattened or smoothened dough into 2. Give it a nice rolling. Make sure you use egg wash on the edges to get them sealed well. Apply same method on the remaining dough. Try as much as possible to make your sausage roll all equal, or at least similar. Now I would be brushing the sausage rolls with milk. And I'll be baking for 170 to 180 degree heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Our sausage rolls are ready, guys. So tastes so good, so delicious. Just look at it. Just follow my recipe, guys. You will definitely enjoy this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.